Hi everybody, today I will show you how to group elements in Canva. So, grouping is useful when you have multiple elements on your design that you want to move, resize, or edit together as one unit. So, to do this, first navigate to your Canva project and make sure that you have the objects that you want to group together on one screen. Now, I have these three texts that are different and is not grouped. I'll simply add this image to this text. Now, I'll align these texts so it looks better. Now, to group this section, what I can simply do is left click on any empty area and select this text and their background that I want to group. Now, I can click on this three-dotted icon that is more and click on group. Once I click group, this will be instantly grouped. Now, if I want to move this, all the elements will instantly move together. Now, if you want to just group these texts, you can simply select this text and press Ctrl plus G and it will instantly group them together. Now, as you can see, once I click this and move anywhere, these will be locked. So that's how you simply group elements in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.